Hello, students. Today we are going to start our first session of science. We will be solving a short mystery in this chapter. So, I will tell you a short story and you will find out the mystery in this story. Once upon a time, there was a lion in the jungle. He was a very happy king in the jungle and he ate whatever he wanted in the jungle. But one day, what happened? All the trees in the jungle disappeared suddenly. So, what would have happened next? Can anybody guess it? Okay. So, what happened after 1 month? The lion died. Why did he die after 1 month? Can anybody tell me? Okay. The line we let us try to break down this mystery now. Well, students, we know that lions depend on the other animals to take food, and the other such as foxes are there, and the foxes depend upon the rabbits and other small living things. And further, these rabbits are dependent upon the carrots and the green plants. So, and we get carrots from the plants. So we can conclude that we all the organisms depend on the plants. So plants have very important role in our lives. All the organisms directly or indirectly depend upon these plants, on the green plants. So you can see as in the story also, the lion also depends upon the plants indirectly. So, why are the plants so important for us? The, why the plants are having such a great importance in our lives? Because can anybody tell me? Okay, because the plants are the only organisms which can make their own food by using various simple substances such as carbon dioxide, energy for sunlight, energy from the sun. They can use water from the ground and make their own food. Can you tell me in which part of the plant the plants can make their food? Yes, those are the leaves. And leaves have the chlorophyll in them, which traps the sunlight and help them to make their own food. And what they give out while making food, they give out oxygen, which is taken by us in respiration. So, what is the moral of the story? Yes, moral of the story is the moral of the story is that if the plants do not exist on the earth, we will also not exist on the earth because all the other organisms depend directly or indirectly on these plants. So, the process in which organisms take in food and utilize that food, use that food to gain energy, that process is known as nutrition. Hope you are clear with the definition. It is a very scientific definition. There are two things to remember. One is that we take in food, and other is we use that food to gain energy. Why do we gain energy? We gain energy to do various works in our daily life.